Namaste. Welcome to Monastic Online Classes. I am Akash Agarwal and today I am going to teach you on Social Studies of Class 2. First lesson of Social Studies Class 2 is I love my work. The first chapter is saying I love my work. In this chapter, the student trying to say that I love to do my own works which I can do myself. In this chapter, there is a student who likes to do all his work by himself. He doesn't depend upon others, on his family members or elders to do his works. He likes to do all his work by himself. First, he wakes up early in the morning and brushes his teeth and get bathed. And the first work what he does, he gets up himself. His mother or father doesn't go to wake him up. He wakes up himself and after waking up, he brushes his teeth and gets bathed. After having his bath, he finishes his homework. Whatever homework was given the previous day, he finished those homeworks. And then he have his breakfast. After that, after finishing his breakfast, he packs his school bag. Whatever the subjects related according to the routine, according to the day, he packs his school bag. In that, he packs his books, routine-wise books, copies, geometry box, pencils, eraser, whatever thing is needed for the school, those things he packs and went for the school. In the school, he attend his class. After reaching his school, he attend the different prayers in the school. He attend his class nicely and play with his friends. In the tiffin time, what he does, he play with his friends. But before playing, what he does, he eats his tiffin. First, he finishes his tiffin and then he plays with his friends. And not only he, but he and his all friends keep the classroom and school clean by throwing the litter in the dustbin. So what he does here? First, these all friends, this student and his all friends eats the tiffin, enjoy the playing, and then keeps the classroom and school clean by throwing whatever the litters in the school they throw, like the wrappers of chocolate or biscuits or noodles, any waste papers, these all things they throw in the dustbin. After coming home, when the school hours, after school hours, this student come to home and he folded his uniform. He changed his dress. He folded his school uniform nicely and keep them in the cupboard. Not only this much, he also keep his shoes in the shoe rack and order things at their proper places. It means whatever things related to which places, they keep those things at those places, like school bag on the study table, his dress in the cupboard, shoes in the shoe rack. In the same way, tie, belt, these on the hangers. Next day is Saturday, so all friends decide to go to fair. The next day was Saturday, so all the friends, what they have decided? They decided to visit a fair. They decided to go to the fair. All the students get excited, like we all are small children, so everyone and listen to go to the fair. They become very happy, they become very excited, and they all say, okay, we will go to the fair. But before going to the fair, he finishes all his school homework. Whatever homework he has got in the school on that day, he finishes all his homework, and then after all the friends went to the fair. So now, what is the moral of this chapter is? We should do all of our works ourselves. Whatever work is related to us, we have to do ourselves. We should not depend upon others to do our work. Like we can brush our shoes, we can wash our clothes, we can fold our clothes, we can make our bed. These all things we can do. So we should not depend upon others to do these works. We should not make others to do our work, and also we should do all our work on time. The main thing is here time. What this describes that if we finish our own work on time, then later we will get lots of free time to utilize, to enjoy. Like if we finish our work on time, whatever work related to us, if we finish those works on time, then we can enjoy our free time by watching television, by playing with friends, by going to the temple with our grandparents, by going to the market for shopping with our father and mother. We can go to the field for playing with friends, and etc. We can do much more things in this way, so that we can enjoy our free time after finishing work. Now, here a small exercise is given that you have to do in your notebook. Along with this, one small project work also I will give you. Here, pick the work that you can do, the work which you can do yourself, in which you don't need help of others. Those works you have to do yourself, and that what you have to do, you have to make a tick sign and do cross the work that you cannot do. The work which you cannot do yourself, in that you have to do cross sign. Like going to school, you can go, so you have to tick sign here. Cooking food, you cannot cook yourself. You need help of your sisters or mother, elders in your house. So you cannot do this work yourself. So here you have to do cross sign. Cleaning the classroom, you can do yourself along with your friends also in the classroom. So here tick. Building a house, this is the work of a mason. You cannot build a house. You cannot do this work. So here you have to do cross sign. Driving a vehicle. Now you are very small, so you cannot drive a vehicle. So here also you have to do cross sign. Polishing the shoes. Yes, we can polish our shoes by ourselves. So here we can tick sign. Washing face, tick sign you have to do. Checking the patient. We are not a doctor, so we cannot check the patient. So here we have to do cross sign. Cleaning the house and doing homework. This both work we can do. So in this both we have to do tick sign. Now, the project work I am going to give you, a small project work you can do, that you have to do in your notebook also you can do, or you can use A4 size project paper also. What you have to do, simply you have to write your daily routine. In this, what you have to do, just give the topic my daily routine on the head and make boxes there. And those back boxes you write the work which you do yourself from morning till the night, and their timetable also. Like at what time you get up. In the first box, right there, get up or waking up. Time right there, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Having bath, in the next box, having bath. At what time you have your bath? Having breakfast, at what time you have your breakfast? In the same way, next box, at what time you study tuition, at what time you eat your lunch, at what time you go for playing, at what time you do your dinner. These all things you have to write. And you can use different kinds of colors also in those boxes to decorate it. Yes, after doing this all, you can post this photo on the Facebook page of our gymnastic school, and guardians are requested, if there are any queries or questions related to this chapter, then please catch us in the comment section of the Facebook page. Thank you.